Hi guys, welcome to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade the ICT SNAS 100 strategy. Basically, what we trade at opening bell. It's a very simple strategy for beginners to make some money in the market, and moreover, this strategy can be used to trade the funding challenges and to trade the funded accounts also. I use this strategy personally on my FTMO funded account, and I also use the strategy on the funding challenges also. Now I will show the exact strategy how to trade the ICT's opening bell strategy, and also I will provide the checklist at the end of the video. Please make sure you got this checklist. To use the strategy, first you should mark the pre-market highs and lows before the opening bell. Pre-market highs. When's the pre-market? On my time zone it's plus 5:30. The pre-market is from 19:30 to 20. It's the pre-market. Always you should mark the pre-market highs and lows. Pre-market highs and pre-market lows. This is the pre-market low and this is the pre-market high, right? You should annotate for the clarity. Always make annotations. Pre-market highs and this is pre-market lows. So after this timing, exactly at the NAS opening bell opening, wait for the liquidity grab, whether it's a buy side or sell side. Wait for the liquidity grab. Always wait for the liquidity grab. See, where's the first liquidity grab? The pre-market high has been liquidated at first, but there is no candlestick pattern. There is no required candlestick pattern provided here. So there is no trade here. I will show you the candlestick patterns that are required here. I will show what are the candlestick patterns that are required. One is doji candle, another one is engulfing pattern. If these two kind of candlestick patterns are formed, any of these two, we can take the trade. We can take the trade instantly. Okay, these two patterns. This is very so important to wait for the confirmation. Confirmation trades are very high probable. If you can enter here, it's very low probable. If you can do it, you can do it, but it's very low probable. See, but here, after taking the pre-market low again, can you see this engulfing pattern? Engulfing pattern. This doji got engulfed, right? So here is our entry. Here is our long position. Market execute. Stop loss just below here. Target the highs. Here equal highs liquidity is there, right? This is equal highs. Target the equal highs. So what are the things we followed basically? We marked the pre-market highs and pre-market lows. We waited for the exact opening bell at 20 and we wait for the liquidation of the buy side or sell side liquidity, and we don't enter. It's very careful. We don't enter once the liquidity is taken out. We enter for the confirmation candles. There are so many liquidities that are taken out in the market when the price is moving from one direction to another direction. But we should always wait for the confirmation candles. The most win rate confirmation candles are doji and engulfing pattern. I only enter the trades if I get this. If I get this, there's 90% to 80% accuracy with this strategy. Always. I can guarantee you. Okay, let's see another day. Very easy strategy. Even beginners can do this. Very simple strategy, simple trading strategy. See, mark the pre-market highs and pre-market lows again. 1930 is the pre-market and 20 is the opening bell, mark the pre-market highs. This is the pre-market high and this is the pre-market low. This is the dozy candle engulfing pattern. The pattern we see is occurred here. Stops just below here. Target this or fix it 1.5 RR. I don't take the trades which are below less RR than 1. So 1.5 RR. It's very high probable trades. High probable. Even the risk reward is low. These trades are very high probable. Now psychology can be very much better if we have the high probable strategy, which happens over and over and again in the markets over time. See, again mark the same things. 1930. This is 1930, yeah, and mark the 20. See, what's the next thing we should do? We should mark the pre-market highs and pre-market lows and wait for the liquidation. So basically in the strategy, timing, liquidity grab, rejection candle. I should add one thing before here, the main important thing. Mark pre-market highs and lows. This is very important thing. Yeah. After marking the pre-market highs and lows, timing here, market opening, it took the buy side liquidity, and here can you see the engulfing pattern of the dozy? So our entry comes here, stop loss just above it, stop loss just above it, and you can target any of the sell side liquidities. You can target these sell side liquidities. We should target according to the higher time frame, right? Same thing, 3 RR you can take. Simple strategy. Here it is, pre-market highs and this is pre-market lows. This is the main driver of the liquidity theorem I use. The strategy is very high probable and happens over and over and again in the NAS 100. It also happens in the S&P 500, but it's very low probable here. It works best in NAS 100. Try this. Right? Target sell side liquidity. And next day. Yep, here it is. Where is it? Yeah. Same thing. Mark the pre-market highs and lows. This is pre-market. Yeah. This is the pre-market high. And this is the pre-market low. This candle is the pre-market low. Same. You should annotate everything. It will be so clear. Simple strategy. If you are working some jobs or something, this strategy is very useful to you. Very less time it takes to trade, make money, and out of the charts. And here's the timing, special timing, NAS opening bell. Come out here. Yeah, so we followed the second point in the checklist. We marked the pre-market highs and lows, timing. We wait for the liquidity grab. Yeah, here is the liquidity grab. And where is the engulfing rejection candle? This is the rejection candle. So we enter here. Our entry is before 5 seconds of the candle closure. You can enter here, stop just below it. You can target here 2 or something, or you can target the higher time frame liquidity points. See, these are the trades we can take using this simple strategy. Let's see on this. My laptop is out of my charge. Yeah. See, again mark the pre-market highs and pre-market lows. Let me, yeah, this is the pre-market highs and pre-market lows. Yeah, this is the low of the candle, and this is your trade. After this dozy candle, this is your trade. Stops below it. You can target this liquidity because the risk reward is more than one, right? So you can target this liquidity, or you can move your stops to break even. After this trade more probably hit break even. I will target usually this pre-market high. So this trade is break even. See how much good trades are coming. In the same week we got more than 7 RR. If you risk 1%, it will be 7% of your capital gain. I will provide the checklist in the comment section. Please make use of it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Peace.